Hello, my name is Kelsey and I am a part-time reseller on the Poshmark app, and I have a very exciting weekend planned with one of my best friends. We are going on a thrifting road trip. And what does this have to do with my living room? That is a great question. The answer is, this is my current death pile. And it's a lot. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see. Yeah, that's a pretty good view. Okay, so this is not even my entire death pile. I live in an apartment with my husband, but before I moved in with him, I rented a house from my best friend. So I also have a pretty decent death pile there as well. So my goal for today, because I want to earn this road trip, which I am so excited about, is to at least organize my death pile so that I have a box of donations, because a lot of it already is set for donations, things that had flaws, things that other people gave to me that I felt like I couldn't sell, and things from my own closet, stuff like that. So I'm gonna have a donate box, a to fix box, and a to list pile probably. So I'm just gonna get started, and I'll probably take a break. I'll probably speed this up, and then I'll just stop and tell you things that are interesting or important maybe. Okay, so let's do that.
All right.
Moto jeans, but they are marked as a waist 26 and a leg 30, and they are teeny tiny. Like, can you see how small these are? So I'm gonna donate them because I just don't understand how that could possibly be the size that these are. I have this Wolfred bodysuit that I actually got retail arbitrage from Nordstrom Rack. But so it was new with tags, and then I had a customer buy it, which actually wasn't even like, I think it was basically making my money back, and I was like, well, at least I don't have to take it to go return it. But at that time I was experimenting with packaging, and I had this great idea to do a wax seal on my tissue paper. So I did a wax seal, and it was a red wax seal, and it bled through to the top. So yeah, so that was a bad idea. And so now I have this Wolford bodysuit that I'm gonna try again to repair it, but I'm definitely not making my money back at all. So yeah, but I am gonna try and steam this out, this red stain, but we'll see, because I've tried before and it didn't work, but I'll try again. Yeah. So this dress is a scandal because I got it at like a Salvation Army, and it was, I think it was like $14 maybe, which is a lot to pay up, but it has a Vince tag, and it's new with tags, and it says the original retail was $345, okay? So I was like, that's a great deal. Then I get home and I start listing it, and I realized that this tag is sewn on with like blue thread. I was like, well, that's really weird for a black dress. And then I looked at the care label, but so this is not what a Vince care label looks like. So this is not a Vince dress. I'm not sure what it is, but it's not a Vince dress, and I've been holding on to it for a long time. I have it photographed, I have it like saved as a draft, but I just can't list it because I know it's not Vince. So I could cut the tags out and sell it unbranded, but I don't know what size it is. So I'm gonna donate this one. But I'm gonna cut the tags out first. at now. I have 2 boxes to donate. A lot of that was just my own clothes, like what was originally in this bin was my clothes, and then things that people have given me and stuff. And so these are my 2 donate boxes. I have a pile of my stuff that I decided I want to keep, and then I have a pile of stuff to list, and then the stuff is in this bin is now stuff to repair. So not a huge repair pile, which is good because I know I have a lot of stuff to repair at my other house. So yeah, so this is my list pile. My goal is going to be to list hopefully all of this before we go on our trip this weekend. Today is Tuesday, and we leave on Saturday morning. We're going to go to the bins in Waco, Austin, and San Antonio. We're taking the day off on Monday, so we're gonna have a 3-day weekend. So we'll do Waco and Austin on Saturday, and then we'll do a full day in Austin on Sunday, and then we'll do most of the day in San Antonio on Monday, and then come back. We are in Dallas, if I didn't mention that. And yeah, so I'm really excited for this trip. I hope that we get a lot of content filmed for this channel, and Blair and I are planning to start another channel, so hopefully for that channel as well. And I'm super excited, so I hope you'll watch. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope it wasn't too boring, and yeah, thanks, bye.